Okay, we have a BarkBox today. It just came in the mail for Shippo. He is super excited. So let's see what's in it. Hey, you gotta move a little bit. Over here. Come here. There you go. We get a sticker. Okay. The Guide to Bark and Company Universe. Looks like it's got some stuff about online information. Some more Welcome to New York, the hometown of BarkBox. Cool. Oh, there's a bone in here. Oh, it's not a bone, it's a, I'm not sure what it is. That's the word I was looking for, trachea. Got it. It's a trachea. Okay. We got this box. We are a member of the Extra Toy of the Month Club, and we paid $72 for a 3-month subscription. So we've got all this cool stuff. We've got an awesome pretzel toy. It's pretty heavy duty, and you really want this, don't you? There's more stuff in here. Shippo, come here. You haven't seen this yet. This thing's really cool. It's like a ball, but it's got a tail on it, so it's kind of like a, they call it doggy tail. It's a wiggly interactive dog toy. I don't really know how interactive it is. Let's find out here. It's got like Velcro in it. Hold on. Is there like, there might be like a pull tab or something. Let's see. Does it need batteries maybe? Oh, hold on. Okay, so we found batteries. It wasn't broken, it needed batteries. He is so excited right now that nothing else matters. Huh? It sounds like it's crying. There's definitely the crying dog noise. Hold on. Oh, this guy's cool. He's like, I'm gonna call him a squid. I don't really know what he is. He's part of the New York collection. Doesn't really tell me what he is. It's like a ball. Oh, it squeaks! Shippo! Oh yeah, this one's way cooler now, I know. What about this one? Isn't this pretzel still? Oh, they're both really cool. Yeah, I know, they're awesome. Yeah, that's great. Could be a jellyfish. No. I don't know, it looks like bacteria. Little microbe, doggy bacteria. No, that's for me. Okay, it's for you. He's excited. We have New York style pastrami. That's cute. Pastrami. Shippo, come here. Oh, we sit. Oh, sit. Even though they smell terrible, he seems to really like them. I don't know what they're made of. Beef liver. Yum, yum. Beef liver. These are New York City jerky chews. No grainers, so grain-free pepperoni. Also made with chicken liver. I'm starting to see a theme. Ship, come here. Come here. What do I have in this one? This one's almost, oh. Smells like Play-Doh. Do you want a Play-Doh treat? You want a cookie? Shippo approved. You want to see if you can get it from him? Boy, he just swings that around and just hits him right in the face. Probably the best toy he's ever had. Bark, bark, bark. BarkBox. Perfect. Uh-huh. Yeah, oh, really? Then what happened? Oh, really? And then the cat took your box and you didn't have one. That's so sad.